I'm the motherfucking rhinoceros. My beats are fat and the birds are on my back and I'm horny. If you choose to proceed, you will indeed concede. 'Cause I hit you with my flow, the wild rhyme will stampede. I'm not just wild, I'm trained, domesticated. I was raised by a rapper and rhyme that dated and subsequently procreated. That's how it goes. Here's the hip-hop-opotamus, the hip-hop hip-hop.
They call me the hip-hop-opotamus. My lyrics are bottomless.
Sometimes my rhymes are polite, and I think if a denim is right, that was very delicious. Good night. Sometimes they're obscene, like a pornographic dream. NC-17 with ladies in a stream of margarine. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, some margarine.
They call me the hip-hop-opotamus. Flows that glow like phosphorus, popping off the top of this esophagus, rocking this metropolis. I'm not a large water-dwelling mammal. Where did you get that preposterous hypothesis? Did Steve tell you that perchance? Steve.
My rhymes and records, they don't get played, because my records and rhymes, they don't get made. And if you rap like me, you don't get paid. And if you roll like me, you don't get laid.
My rhymes are so potent that in this small segment I made all of the ladies in the area pregnant. Yeah, sometimes my lyrics are sexist, but you lovely bitches and hoes should know I'm trying to correct this.
Other rappers dismay, say my rhymes are sexy. Why?
Why?
Why? What?
Why exactly?
What? Why?
Be more constructive with your feedback, please. Why?
Why? Why? 'Cause I rap about reality, like me and my grandma drinking a cup of tea. There ain't no party like my nana's tea party. Hey, ho. I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
Who's the mother flippin'?
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
I'm the mother flippin'.
Mother flippin'.
Yeah, looking around the room, I can tell that you are the most beautiful girl in the room, in the whole wide room. And when you're on the street, depending on the street, I bet you are definitely in the top 3 good-looking girls on the street. Yeah.
Depending on the street. Ooh.
And when I saw you at my mate's place, I thought, what is she doing at my mate's place? How did Dave get a hottie like that to a party like his good one, Dave?
Ooh, you're a legend, Dave.
I asked Dave if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I say, Dave, do you mind if I do? He says it doesn't matter, but I can tell he kinda minds. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I see you standing all alone by the stereo. I dim the lights down to very low. Here we go. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be a waitress. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be an air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be a part-time model. And then I seal the deal. I do my moves, I do my dance moves. Those are my dance moves. It's 12:02, just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor. I draw you near, let's get out of here. Let's get in a cab, I'll buy you a kebab. And I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. Ooh. Well, why don't we leave? Let's go to my house and we can feel each other up on the couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow. Oh, no. yeah. 'Cause you're so beautiful.
Like a tree or a high-class prostitute.
You're so beautiful.
You could be a part-time model.
You probably still have to keep your normal job. Part-time model. Spending part of your time modeling and part of your time.
But this song is more about the real world issues
Yeah.
that are affecting us,
Okay.
everyone today.
It's called Think About It, Think About It. Children on the streets using guns and knives, taking drugs in each other's lives, killing each other using knives and forks, and calling each other names like dork.
There's people on the street getting diseases from monkeys. Yeah, that's what I said, they're getting diseases from monkeys. Why is this happening, please? Who's been touching these monkeys? Leave these poor sick monkeys alone, they're sick, they got problems enough as it is.
A man is lying on the street, some punk has chopped off his head, and I'm the only one who stops to see if he's dead. Turns out he's dead.
That's why I'm singing.
What is wrong with the world today?
What's wrong with the world today? Never sing on the Tom today.
What is wrong with the world today?
Think about it.
Think about it. Good cops get framed and put into a can, and all the money that we're making is going to the man.
What man? Who's the man? When's a man a man? Why is it so hard to be a man? Am I a man? Yes, technically, yes. Oh, come on, they're turning kids into slaves. They're turning kids into slaves just to make cheaper sneakers. But what's the real cost? 'Cause the sneakers don't seem that much cheaper. Why are we still paying so much for sneakers when you got little kid slaves making them? What are your overheads?
But at the end of your life, you were lucky if you died. Sometimes I wonder why I would even try.
What?
I saw a man lying on the street, half dead. He had knives and forks sticking out of his leg. He said, "Ow, can somebody get the knife and fork out of my leg, please?"
Could somebody please remove these cutleries from my knees?
This is where we break it down. This is where we break